Should I replace my telephone system? This is a great question and one I'm often asked. And of course, I say it depends. It depends on what you want to achieve or the problem you're trying to solve. It's a bit like asking, what shoes should I wear? Well, it depends on what you're going to do today. Let me give you 5 reasons that may help you decide if replacing your phone system should be on your to-do list. First reason, your business processes need to change or adapt. The primary process in any business or organisation is the customer journey, from prospect to sale to delivery and after-sales support, and if we're lucky, a repeat sale, aka a relationship. The telephone is still a critical part of this process for most SMBs, and from an emotional connection point of view, it's easy to see why. The only thing that can beat the phone or video chat is a face-to-face catch-up, but it's certainly not emails or messaging. I'm purposefully ignoring Gen Z here. So how has your customer's journey changed? For example, your team, is it now split up and working from home? Or does how your customer want to buy, has it changed? If this is the case, you will need to change how your phone system is used in this process. Examples of changes are remote working, flexible working, changes in CRMs, hot desking, no desking. Simply put, phones need to move conversations to where people are, not where the office is. With predictions on working patterns suggesting a thirds model, a third in the office, a third at home, or a third hybrid, moving to a new data/user-focused phone system is probably a good idea. Another reason to change is that your current phone system means your customers can't get through. During peak times, does your current telecom system crack under the pressure? If your customers cannot get through or your staff cannot communicate with each other, then KPIs such as CSAT or customer satisfaction can suffer. Modern systems have larger call capacity, improved call routing, and instant team conferencing, internally and externally, so regardless of where your team or customers are located. Maybe you're struggling to scale. If you need more office space to relocate, merge, or open a new office, then modern systems are better at handling these changes. They can scale up or down based on your business needs. In fact, one of the biggest hurdles here is that your typical legacy telecoms contract was based on a 5-year or even a 7-year deal. What a rip-off! Newer systems are software-based and can adapt as you go along. You only pay for the functionality you need. Now when you change another part of your business, your phone system can adapt with no costly contract issues or ridiculous licensing requirements. Fourth reason you might want to consider changing your phone system is you're wasting money. If you have a legacy telecom system, you could be overpaying directly from monthly costs and indirectly through time lost when handling communications. Fifth reason, you can't use your data. You are getting phone data, yeah? Data is the new business currency, and insights from your telecom system can give you a competitive edge. Older systems were just never designed to deliver this precious data. And as telecoms moves away from just delivering voice calls, it becomes part of a company's overall communication strategy. One example would be having an inbound chat function on your website that can change to a voice call or even become a video call with your service team. Digital integration, flexible working, and call center capable telecom solutions can deliver excellence for marketing, sales, operations, and customer support. I've just scratched the surface. Yesterday was about telecoms, today it's about communication. And here's a bonus reason for you. BT are phasing out the old ISDN lines that legacy systems are based on. So if you want a flexible, modern, cost-effective, performance-based system with no long-term contracts, it might be time to do some research and add the phone system upgrade to your business plan. If you need some advice, we'd love to talk. Give us a call or fill in the form below. Speak soon.